We all have that inner voice. Sometimes it's a critic, sometimes it's a cheerleader. This voice can be a constant companion, guiding us through our daily lives. It can be a source of comfort or a source of stress, depending on how we engage with it. We might think we're strange for talking to ourselves, but in reality, this self-talk is a natural part of being human. It's how we process our thoughts and emotions. But this inner dialogue is normal. Everyone experiences it, whether they realize it or not. It's a reflection of our inner world, our hopes, fears, and dreams. More than that, it's powerful. The words we say to ourselves can shape our reality in profound ways. They can build us up or tear us down. Our self-talk shapes our reality. It influences our thoughts. It impacts our feelings. It can determine how we see ourselves and the world around us. And it drives our actions. The way we talk to ourselves can motivate us to take on new challenges or hold us back from reaching our full potential. Learning to harness this inner dialogue is key to personal growth. By becoming aware of our self-talk, we can start to change it for the better. It's about turning those whispers within into a force for good. It's about transforming our inner critic into our biggest supporter. Many of us struggle with negative self-talk. We doubt ourselves. We criticize ourselves. We replay our mistakes over and over in our minds. We tell ourselves we aren't good enough. This kind of self-talk can be incredibly damaging. It can erode our self-esteem and hold us back from achieving our goals. This kind of self-talk can be incredibly damaging. But there's good news. We have the power to change it. We can choose to speak to ourselves with kindness and understanding. We can change the conversation. We can replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. We can remind ourselves of our strengths and achievements. We can learn to talk to ourselves with kindness, compassion, and support. This shift in our inner dialogue can lead to greater self-confidence and resilience. This shift, from critic to cheerleader, is where the magic happens. It's where we start to believe in ourselves and our abilities. It's where we find the strength to pursue our dreams and live our best lives. Talking to ourselves kindly isn't just some feel-good notion. Research shows it has tangible benefits for our mental and emotional well-being. Studies show that positive self-talk can reduce stress. It helps us manage anxiety, and it can even improve our physical health. When we engage in positive self-talk, we release endorphins. These are our body's natural mood boosters. They help us feel happier and more optimistic. Positive self-talk also helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone. Lower cortisol levels lead to better sleep, improved immunity, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. So yes, talking to yourself kindly is good for your mind and body. The power of positive self-talk isn't just confined to scientific studies. It's something countless individuals experience every day. People from all walks of life have used positive self-talk to overcome challenges. They've achieved their goals, and they've transformed their lives. Athletes use it to enhance their performance. Artists use it to fuel their creativity. Entrepreneurs use it to boost their confidence. And everyday people use it to navigate life's ups and downs with greater resilience and joy. The evidence is clear. Positive self-talk works. It's a tool we can all use to create the life we want. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah struggled with self-doubt for years. She constantly compared herself to others. She told herself she wasn't smart enough, pretty enough, or successful enough. This negative self-talk held her back in all areas of her life. One day, Sarah decided she was tired of being her own worst enemy. She started practicing positive affirmations. She replaced negative thoughts with empowering ones. Slowly but surely, she began to see a change. Her confidence grew, her relationships improved. She even went after her dream job and got it. Sarah's story is a powerful testament to the life-changing power of positive self-talk. You might be wondering, how do I actually start talking to myself in a more positive way? The answer is simple. Start small. Begin by noticing your inner dialogue. Pay attention to the words you use when you talk to yourself. Are they kind? Are they encouraging? Or are they harsh and critical? Once you're aware of your self-talk patterns, you can start to shift them. If you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, gently challenge them. Replace them with more positive and realistic ones. Remember, you're training your inner cheerleader. It takes time, patience, and practice. Positive affirmations are a great way to cultivate a more positive inner dialogue. These are short, powerful statements that affirm your desired qualities or outcomes. Repeating them regularly can help reprogram your subconscious mind. It can shift your beliefs and attract more positivity into your life. Choose affirmations that resonate with you. Repeat them daily, ideally out loud, and truly feel the words as you speak them. Some examples include, I am worthy of love and happiness, I am capable of achieving my dreams, or I am strong, resilient, and unstoppable. The key is to choose affirmations that inspire you and make you feel empowered. Negative thoughts are like uninvited guests. They show up unannounced and try to ruin our day. But we don't have to let them. We have the power to reframe them. Reframing is about looking at a situation from a different perspective. It's about finding the silver lining, even when things are tough. For example, instead of saying I'm so bad at this, try saying I'm still learning, and that's okay. Instead of I can't do this, tell yourself I can try my best. And that's all that matters. Reframing isn't about denying reality. It's about choosing to focus on the positive and empowering aspects of any situation. Section 8. Gratitude Self-Talk, Cultivating a Thankful Heart. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can transform our lives in profound ways. It shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, allowing us to see the abundance around us. Practicing gratitude self-talk is about acknowledging and appreciating the good in our lives, no matter how small it may seem. It's about finding things, big or small, to be thankful for every single day, and making it a habit to recognize these moments. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. This simple act can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. It could be as simple as a good cup of coffee, a sunny day, or the warmth of the morning sun on your face. Or it could be a meaningful conversation with a loved one, a moment of laughter, or a kind gesture from a friend. Before bed, take a few moments to reflect on your day and find 3 more things to be grateful for. This practice can help you end your day on a positive note. This simple practice can profoundly impact your overall well-being, helping you to sleep better and wake up with a positive mindset. It helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life, cultivate a sense of contentment, and attract more abundance and joy into your daily experiences. By consistently practicing gratitude, you can build a more resilient and optimistic outlook, enriching your relationships and overall quality of life. Remember, gratitude is a journey, not a destination. Embrace it daily and watch as it transforms your heart and your life. Section 9. The Power of Yet, Embracing the Journey of Growth. We often put pressure on ourselves to be perfect. We want to be good at everything right away. But that's not how life works. Growth takes time, it takes effort, and it takes a willingness to embrace the journey, imperfections and all. When you find yourself struggling with something, add the word yet to your self-talk. Instead of saying, I'm not good at this, say, I'm not good at this. This simple shift in perspective acknowledges that you're on a learning curve. It reminds you that you're capable of growth and progress. It transforms self-criticism into self-compassion. Section 10. Consistency is key, making self-talk a daily habit. Like any new skill, mastering positive self-talk takes practice. It's not a one-time fix. It's an ongoing commitment to speaking to yourself with kindness, compassion, and encouragement. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Make positive self-talk a part of your daily routine. Incorporate it into your morning rituals, your commute, your workouts, or your bedtime routine. The key is to find what works for you and stick with it. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. Every small step you take toward cultivating a more positive inner dialogue is a step in the right direction. Section 11. Embrace the conversation within. The conversation you have with yourself matters. It shapes your beliefs. It influences your emotions. Every thought you entertain, every word you say to yourself, has the power to uplift or bring you down. And it ultimately determines the quality of your life. The way you speak to yourself can either be a source of strength or a source of stress. Embracing positive self-talk is not about denying challenges or pretending everything is perfect. It's about acknowledging the difficulties while choosing to focus on solutions and growth. It's about choosing to approach yourself and your experiences with kindness, understanding, and support. When you treat yourself with compassion, you create a safe space for healing and progress. As you cultivate a more positive inner dialogue, you'll notice a shift. You'll feel more confident, your self-esteem will grow, and you'll start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. You'll be more resilient in the face of adversity. Challenges will become stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks, and you'll be more equipped to create a life you love. With a positive mindset, you'll be able to set and achieve goals that align with your true desires. So go ahead, talk to yourself. Engage in meaningful conversations that inspire and motivate you. Be kind, be encouraging. Remind yourself of your strengths and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Be your own biggest cheerleader. You deserve it. Embrace the conversation within and watch your life transform.